Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to pick up exactly where we left off in the last video, and what we're going to do is come to the void update and we're going to expand this code to begin with. So for now I'm going to come here below the button lines, but before we have any of the if blocks, now it does matter where this code goes, so just be aware of that. And we're going to create an if statement, open and close brackets, inside the brackets, player's position double equals null. Let's put that into the comments. So if and I'll just copy and paste the naming convention in. We'll add the return line on our usual comment. So then do nothing and return. We'll copy and paste that in again. We'll change it to opponent's position. And we'll swap it out in the comment also. So let's now come to the IEnumerator special move 1, and we're going to copy this if statement to do with the player's position being less than the opponent's, and it's going to go below both the new if statements, and I'll also copy the line for greater than, and we'll paste that in below also. So now what we're going to do is the if statement from button 2 is less than or equal to minus 0.2f all the way down to the second and last close brackets. We're going to cut that and we're going to paste it into this first if block. So now let's tidy this up. And then we're going to come just before the last close brackets for this if block, and we're going to create another if statement. If open and close brackets, inside the brackets, charge special move does not equal, so exclamation point and equal sign, charge special move default. We're going to use the double and underscore button 2 is greater than 0.2f. Actually that should be minus 0.2f. We'll come below and we're going to call sm1 reset function, open and close brackets, close that line off. We'll break this up for commenting, so we'll put if charge special move does not equal the default, and button 2 is greater than minus 0.2 f. And we'll then just put that we're calling the reset function. So let's copy and paste that in. Okay, with that in place, we now need to come to the second if statement, and we're going to begin by copying all the code in the previous one. So let's just paste that in. And now we just need to change a few things. So this line, the first line inside the brackets, if button 2 is less than, we want to change that to greater than, and we'll get rid of the minus sign. So let's just again begin to tidy this up. We need to change the comment to greater than or equal to value on the horizontal axis. So just pay close attention, it's greater than, and we've got rid of the minus because this is very easy to make a mistake, and we want to come to this line. So the first line can be correct, and this one, and button 2 again is greater than, and we get rid of the minus. So we change it from greater to less than, and we'll just save that off there. Let's downsize that. We'll hit play and we shall see what happens. So as always, we'll just let it run through. So the two return statements prevent us from having a error here. Let's just select the robot. We'll come into the scene. We'll select the black robot. So you can see the charge special move value here going down when we are pressing back, but goes back to the default once that no longer is the case. So let's come to the scene, we'll switch sides, and again it now works on the opposite side also, so when we go back it starts to decrease, but if we let go of the analog stick it returns to its default value. And we'll stop that there. That's it for this lesson. So basically our charge build up code now is working perfectly. So all this code is working. In the next video we'll begin to modify the enumerator function. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.